Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo Y100 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set flashlight notifications for incoming calls in your phone Vivo Y100 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here, then go to shortcuts and accessibility, then go to flash notifications, and here just turn on the button against incoming calls. What it means, when the screen is turned off, the rear camera flash will blink when the event occurs. Here the event is incoming call. So when you are receiving incoming call and at the time if screen is turned off, this is the screen, if the screen goes to blank, then camera flash will this is camera flashlight. Okay, see here, this is camera flashlight and this camera flashlight will blink. Okay, see here, now it is screen is turned on. Okay, for this purpose screen should be like this. Okay, screen is turned off and flashlight notifications will appear now. Okay, if you are receiving incoming call. Now we will check. Okay, I make a call from another number. See here, so flashlight is glowing when you are receiving incoming call if you have turned on these settings. Okay, now we will check when the screen is turned on. Now screen is turned on and but incoming calls flash notifications is turned on, and what will happen now, if you are receiving incoming call, camera flash will not blink. See here, because screen is turned on, screen is not off. Okay, see here. Okay, so this will only work when your screen is off. Okay, see here, again I show it, screen is off and I make a call. So in this way you can easily set flashlight notifications for incoming calls in your phone Vivo Y100 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.